my friends. Today, Manam, I want to tell you a story. A calm, hopeful, meaningful story, about believing that you can improve. There was a boy named Soham. Soham was not the best student. He was not the fastest runner. He was not the best speaker. Because of this, he felt sad. He often said, "I am not talented. I am not smart. I will never get better." One day, his teacher gave the class a drawing task. Soham looked at his drawing and felt disappointed. His friend's drawing was better. He wanted to stop. His teacher came near and said gently, "Soham, show me your drawing from last month." Soham showed it. The teacher smiled and said, "Look carefully. You have improved." Soham looked again. It was true. His lines were better. His colors were better. The teacher said, "Improvement is slow, but it is real. You do not need to be the best. You only need to be better than yesterday." Soham felt something change inside. From that day, he stopped saying, "I can't." He started saying, "I will try." Every day, he practiced a little. Slowly, his handwriting improved, his confidence improved, his speaking improved, and one day, he realized something important. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep improving. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. If you feel weak today, do not worry. Keep trying. Keep learning. Keep improving. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep growing step by step. And always remember, you can always improve.